Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, back to Microsoft package. I remember we looked at Microsoft Word, we looked at table of contents there, we looked at new margin, we looked at different features there. So today I've come and we are going to look at Microsoft Excel. Well, Microsoft Excel is kind of unique. I'll start with the different ways we can open it. Then I'll show you some features in it, and then we shall see how to open and close. We shall introduce it. Today we are introducing Excel. Then I'll make another video where I'll teach you how to use the formulas and functions, because Excel is so much about calculations. So how you open Excel, it's so much the same way as you open Word. The first way was you would come to this bar, or you press the start button. So when you click here, you type your word Excel. It's what you're looking for. Well, you can kind of forgive me, my computer is quite slow, so it may take me a while, small while. So you see that coming, type Excel, when you type Excel to bring you the program, and this is it. So you click on it and it will open. So this is the first way we can open what? An Excel program. So if you look here, we are having a blank workbook. So you may ask me, why are they calling it a workbook? Well, we know Excel has sheets. So let me just open this one and I can show you. Excel has what they call sheets. If you looked at this bottom corner here, that's sheet 1. If I wanted, I could add another sheet. Just click on this plus button and another sheet will be added. Well, you can pardon me, I'm having a problem with my computer, it's kind of slow, but I'll work on it, and the next video we shall be fast. So you look at it, every time you come near this plus button, it brings you new sheet. So those different sheets are what you call a workbook in Excel. So Excel is a collection of many sheets which are going to make up a workbook. So I think now you see why it is called a workbook. Well, the other thing is, I want to show you, Excel is made up of rows and columns. And if you look at these letters are going to show you the different columns, the different names of the columns, while these numbers are going to show you the different rows in the worksheet we are having right now. So how you call this space where a row and column are intersecting? In Excel, that space is called a cell, and it is into that cell that we write our information, that you write your data, that you write your work you want to compute. So you look at this is a cell, this is a cell, and how do they name these cells? If you looked at this point here, we are having C6 is the name of a cell, or the name box, is given by the column number, the column letter, and then the row number. Well, those two can confuse me, but I wish, and I think you're getting what I'm meaning. So if you looked here, we are in column 6, but then we were on cell, we're in column C, but we're in row 6. That's why they're calling this C6. If I moved it to another cell, that's how they name it, L2. You get that? L4. This is the column, then the row. So that's it. So I also want to show you a little bit of how you can save an Excel worksheet. Well, in an Excel worksheet, you can it's an easy way of saving it. It's just the same way we save in Word, if you can remember. In Word, we came to File. Come and click on File. When you come to File, there is Save and Save As. And I remember we said if it's a new Word document, you're going to save it as Save As. So it's the same for Excel. If it's a new workbook you've just opened, you come and save it as Save As. When you go to Save As, they'll bring you options. Choose the location where you're going to save. So in this case, I want to save on this PC. So when you go to this PC, they're going to bring for you the different locations on the PC where you can save. So since I want to save in my folder and my folder is on desktop, I'll come and click on desktop. So after me clicking on desktop, they'll bring me this one. From here, I can select, let's say, I want to save my work in my folder, and my folder is named Jabbook Brian. Yeah? So I'll just come here and I look for it, Jabbook Brian. So they must be able to bring it for you if it's saved on the what? On the desktop. So when you see your folder, you will select it. Well, I'm having problems seeing my folder, but I can just save it in a folder. That means I won't save it in coursework videos. I click there and I open. Once I open that folder, I can come and name my Excel the way I want. I can name it Book 1. I can now come and try and change this. I save it Excel 97 to 2003. So I guess we all remember why we are saving it this way, so that it can be able to open in every type of what? In every type of windows that they have. The later windows, they are all outdated, the old version and the new version, because we know if we just save it as an Excel worksheet, we may fail to open in the lower versions of Windows. So we save it like that, so we save. And we are good to bring it back here. So if you put added information here, and you wanted to save this information too, we said we have 2 or 3 ways we can save that. You can either press Ctrl S, that information will be saved, or you can come back to File and click on Save. So today's video, I want to show you how you can open, how you can add information, the names, the different features. I know most of these features are the same as for what? Maybe the other feature I didn't talk about was this. This one usually shows this one often shows us the formulas we have input all the information in a given cell. So if I come here, you see that that cell is empty. See that this place will become empty. But if I came to any of these cells where I tapped something, that would be shown there. Well, I think that's all for today. We have seen how we can open and how we can save an Excel worksheet. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you're going to still subscribe, like my videos and comment. Don't forget to hit the bell like button so I get notifications every time I upload a video. Thank you.